Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Chrome installer is stuck on waiting to download, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart your PC. All you need to do is right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The next solution is to make sure that the internet connection is stable. So go to fast.com and hit enter. Okay, and you can check the internet connection speed here whether it's good enough or not. Because downloads need good enough internet speed. Browsing needs lesser speed, but downloading needs much more speed. Then temporarily disable the antivirus on from your system. Search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and click on Windows security. Go to the virus and threat protection tab. Click on this option manage settings and turn off real time protection temporarily and then switch it on if it helps. And similarly, go to firewall and network protection. Go to not domain network, but let's say go to the private network first and turn off Windows Defender firewall. Check if it helps. If not, then turn it on. Return to the firewall page. Go to public network. Turn it off. If it helps, well and good. If not, then turn it on. Actually, the active network can also be checked here. Like in my case, the public network is the one which is active. And lastly, download it in the incognito mode. So let us say that you are working on Chrome and you're trying to download a file, it's not working. Maybe some extensions are bothering you. So try it in the incognito mode. And if it works in the incognito mode, then click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select extensions and manage extensions. Disable the problematic extension. Try use the hit and trial method to find out which one works and remove that one from your browser completely. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.